How to find your draft post on Facebook. Someday you might want to post something, but because of your internet connection and some other problem, you might save it as draft and want to post the same post again for another time. So how do you save that? To do that, what you can simply do is go on your Facebook by installing it on the Google Play Store. If you have already done so, then you can see an interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, on the top left corner, you will see there is a profile. If you have your picture updated, your photo will be shown in your profile. And when you tap on this profile, you will now see an interface like this. Scroll down, and then you can see the option of what's on your mind. When you tap on this, just write anything that you want to. And when you tap on this and click on back option and go back, then you will see the option of save draft, discard post, and continue editing. Now what you should do is save as draft. Okay, so after you do this, a notification will be toned on your phone. And when you scroll up, you can see the same notification here. When you tap on this, you can see that this draft is saved here. Now, you should remember that this draft can only be saved for 3 days. After 3 days, it will be expired. So only till the 3 date, you can post this draft on your profile. You can discard it if you want, and you can open the draft if you want so. So just like this, the draft is opened in my post. So this is how you do it. The next option to do is you can just go back of your Facebook and then again open your Facebook and go on what's on your mind. Then you can see the same draft on your Facebook profile. So yes, this is the way to see your draft. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.